How to apply for Dasher in DoorDash. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let Me Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do so. So head over to your DoorDash application from your device. If you don't have the app, just go to Play Store and type in Dasher and you can download that application from here. Once you open the app, you will see this page. Now you want to go ahead and tap on to become a Dasher. Here enter your zip code or postal code and tap on to Next. At this page, enter your email address and tap on to Next again. Lastly, enter your phone number and tap on to continue. Then you will be directed towards the home page of Login to enter your email and get logged in. And once you have created yourself a DoorDash account, here are a few things that you need to do. Enter your first name, middle name, and last name and tap on continue. Second is completing your background check. Complete all your background check and once it's done, you will receive an email. Thirdly, submit a W-9 form so that you can get paid. Now here, tap on to add bank account and add your bank details. Now the fourth option of set up fast pay is completely optional, but if you so like to try, then tap on set up fast pay or you can just skip that step. At the fourth option, tap on complete first delivery by downloading the Android app. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you have any specific question regarding this video, drop them down below. We will get back to you soon.